Hey guys, welcome back to today's vlog. I don't know what day this is as far as Vlogmas, but this year for Vlogmas, I'm gonna try to record each vlog. Like, let's say it's Monday. I'm gonna record that vlog, edit it, and then post it for Tuesday's post. So the day after, you'll see everything. So I don't know what day today is because I already missed day 2. So we're not gonna even get into that. The dinner last night was so fun. Like, I had a lot of fun. Everything was amazing. And then we got like the jackets I showed you. I'm gonna show you how it looks today because I didn't even get to open it and like really see it. But the food was so good, and I really wish that I could have ate like all of it. But between being jet lagged and not getting enough sleep, my appetite is nowhere to be found. Okay, and even like the wine, like I drank the wine and I could only drink like one glass. Like, and y'all know me, I love me some wine. So, but hopefully today I'm a little bit better. We're supposed to be going out to lunch soon, so I have to go get ready, and I hope my hair underneath looks really good because you know, like when you tie your hair down and it look all pasted to your head. So hopefully it's not that case. Also, I had a therapy appointment this morning at 7 a.m. Eastern time. Would have been 10 a.m. but I forgot to cancel it, so I had to still attend, or I would have been charged full price for the therapy session, which is $100 that I did not want to waste. So I had to end up going anyways, and then I just ended up editing today's vlog, which you guys would have watched by then. So let's go ahead and get ready. Alright guys, if you don't know, this is the best lotion in the world. It doesn't feel like lotion. It's like a gel, but it's one of my favorite products from Neutrogena. It's on the pricier side for lotion, but to me, it's like the best, and it doesn't give you that greasy, oily, nasty feel. Big reveal. Normal enough. I'm so hot. I always take cold showers, but today I took a hot one and I'm really feeling the effects of this hot shower. I mean, it's not bad looking. The curl's still there. I'm gonna just spruce up my edges a little bit. You guys have to use this edge control. This is what I was using yesterday for my edges, but it actually lays. It is like a gel-like texture, but it does the job. Like, and I have like stubborn hair, and this works really well. So if you're looking for an edge control that's like on the market, like in Target or something, I would say that one. Like, look at that. My edges never stay, never. And this actually stayed all throughout the night. Now, if you start sweating, obviously it's gonna come off, but for the most part, it did its job. This was a leave out that I literally did hours before I had to leave to come to go to the airport. And I actually left out a very small amount of leave out. I didn't leave out a lot because I don't really like to have to take care of it. And then you don't want to have out too much, and then now you're forced to flat iron it if you feel like it's not as neat, it's not as straight as you would like it. So the less, the better. I can't even see what I'm doing. Okay, second day curls. Do I want to put on makeup? I don't. Another thing that I always pack with me is my 2 favorite perfumes. Sometimes I'll use like Ka. He has his own perfume, and his own smells really good. Actually, he gave me a travel size yesterday because I usually travel with his other size if I'm going on a trip and I need a perfume to put on my check-in, my carry-on. I keep confusing those two. This is his. So I like to use the Carolina Herrera. Like, I'm going out, like it just has a nice sweet with the travel size. So this you can carry on with you as well. And then this is a good one. This is like my daytime florally fun perfume. So I'll use this, and then I'm gonna put it on mine. But these two are 2 perfumes that I always walk around with. This is also good if you have leave out or a weave wig and you want to just like keep your hair looking nice and shiny or healthy. It's a nice small size. I just spray. It's from EAP Heat, by the way. And I just spray. Now it is pretty oily, so you only need 1 spray. Don't put a lot. And just rub it down your hair. Don't put it at the ends. You just want it on your real hair, the leave out. And then it kind of just like brings it back to life. See? And then I usually have a face lotion, but I forgot to bring it. And then the other one is in my suitcase, and I'm not opening that thing back up. So I just use this. I use it on my face, okay? And I'm still living and doing well without acne. So I'm living and doing well without pimples. So clearly it works. I was gonna swap out today's earrings for these. And my audio is trash because my mics are charging right now. So I'm gonna be using Rare Beauty in the color 420. And yes, my beauty blender is dirty. I gotta clean it. Alright, I wasn't gonna do any foundation or makeup, but I'm gonna just keep it really simple. I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand, and then the goal is to make this small amount spread.
I can taste your lies, how to measure the love you throw around.
Okay, I lied. I need more. I'm gonna put it in a different spot.
One of us will have to take a bow.
This is a really sheer foundation, so it feels so light. It feels like a BB cream actually. Like, we're gonna actually at Sephora today, so I'm gonna pick up some makeup things. So I'm gonna take you guys shopping with me so you can see like what I'm getting. I haven't bought makeup in so long because I usually get it sent to me, but buying makeup and getting it sent to you is two different experiences and two different feels, and one feels way better than the other, aka the ones you buy, except you're just hurting your pockets, you know? I'm gonna be using this e.l.f. pencil, this brow pencil. Is it gonna focus? Probably not. I want a very natural thin brow, light brow. This is good, this product from e.l.f. if you're really on the go. I don't even know what color I have this in, but yeah, this is the one that I'm using. And then I'm gonna go on with this product. This is Too Faced, a Too Faced concealer. And then we just wanna clean those brows up. And I'm gonna just comb my lashes out because they look crazy. I cannot use a beauty blender to do my makeup. I'm really trying to, and I can't. It doesn't feel the same. Y'all, the best lip combo is brown lip liner and lip gloss, okay? No color, just lip gloss. This lip gloss from ColourPop. I'll put it right in the middle. And it's minty. Minty fresh. But you know what? I'm so sweaty and oily, so as much as I didn't want to put, this is how it always happens. I'm like, oh, I'm done, I look fine, I'm good. And then I'm like, wait, something's off. But I'm starting to get shiny, so some setting powder so that I don't look shiny throughout the day. Like, I'm setting the makeup. Yes, that was too dry. Too shiny. And then I'm gonna add on something. This is how it always happens. You say you're gonna do one thing, and then you end up doing a million things. I don't know how I don't learn my lesson by now. Now I'm done. This is like a brow setter from Benefit, and it's actually amazing. So if you put it on, it's like a gel. It makes a huge difference.
Bitch, A or B. Right.
I'm a Libra. You guys know I can't decide.
Simone is that friend who's like, whatever. No, but I need a decision. But it's whatever. No, Simone.
Okay, I'll do out to eat.
So it's not good for another. It's crazy is
No.
food's going.
Food was so good, guys. We went to the
Oh, girl. It's time.
We've been here for a while. We're trying to figure out what we're doing tonight.
Sorry.
Huh? It's a video. Oh. We're trying to figure out what we're doing tonight. Still on Sephora?
Yes.
Wow. That was like earlier. Alright, so we are back at the hotel. Just to stop by to our dinner reservations at 7. I don't know where we're going, but I'll have everything. Like, I'll tell you guys everything. But we try to go to Chanel store because they're having a sale. But you need an appointment, and everything was already like, they were like, not today. So we're here. Not you TikToking while you're waiting for the car. That was so aggressive.
Huh?
Yeah, there's a video. Becca, can you be recorded now? Not really, but... Hey guys, what's up? I'm back in Atlanta. I'm actually at a Starbucks right now because I'm so tired. I feel like I have no energy. Oh, and I got crusties. You said, what did you ask me?
Oh, I was just asking for your name.
Oh, my name is Amy.
Hey, Amy, what can we get started for you today?
Can I do a caramel brulee latte with oat milk?
Yeah, what size would you like?
Can I have a medium? I mean, a large. Do you have any... How much shot espresso are in that?
That one comes with 2.
2. Okay. Can I do that? And then a butter croissant? And then a small strawberry acai. No strawberries and light ice with lemonade? No, that's all. A bunch of junk crap. Junk crap. But I always get 2 drinks because I can't decide if I want hot or cold. That's the Libra in me, y'all. But anyways, so... Y'all, my views on YouTube are disgusting. And I don't know what's happening. Like... If you have any suggestions of what you think I should be doing on my vlogs, my videos, then let me know. I mean, I already know, like, you guys don't like my, like, a lot of people don't really care for my vlogs as much. So I'm just being really transparent right now. But I know that they don't care. I think everyone comes to me for hair. And I've been talking about this topic for a long time. Like, it's so hard to want to branch out. Zoe, what happened? So hard to want to branch out when everyone just wants you to do hair, so that when you do your hair content to please them, you're not pleasing yourself and you're not really putting all your real energy into that type of content. I am so haired out that I don't even want to have to, like, I want to do hair, but being forced to do hair just to keep my views is just making me more miserable. So I don't know. They say it takes about 6 months for your audience to finally catch on, and to, like, of just 6 months of just straight consistency, like. And that don't mean just like 3 videos a week. I've heard like you need to do like 4 to 5 on YouTube just to get back into the algorithm and just let people see. But it's really hard when I feel like I'm giving out my best work and no one's really seeing it. So it's really annoying. I am going to try to go through my old previous videos and my analytics and see what worked for me in the past, as well as like what thumbnails worked, what titles, what tags, what SEOs, going back to putting everything on Pinterest, because yeah, I'm not gonna lie, this is getting a little discouraging. My Instagram is doing well. My TikTok does well when I put in effort, which I'm not really like trying to put too much effort into TikTok, because that's like my like escape when things are not going, like, you know, when I just want to just post things without having to worry about it being too like perfect or structured. But for YouTube now, man, I don't know what's happening, baby. I don't know. These views are just, it's not it. And I don't know if it's the time of the year, but you guys know I'm single again. And I'm not gonna lie, this is so ghetto. Like, this is like the one time of the, I don't know, yo, I always end relationships or end things with people around like the holidays. Like, I'd rather just not have you here versus have you here and be miserable. Girl, you got a puppuccino. Get out of the back seat and eat it. I don't know why she wants to sit in the back seat all of a sudden, and she refuses to come to the front seat. All right, I'm not holding this the whole time, so. Oh my God, you're getting it everywhere. So yeah, I don't know why I always do that. I don't know why I always do that every time of the year, but I think it's like a thing where it's like I'd rather not have you in my life during the times that make me the most happiest. So I kind of just strategically get rid of them before the holidays. I don't know, it's weird. It happens every year or every time. But anyways, so yeah, but you know, like, everything is like selling cute and everything, so it makes me want to have a man. But I'm low-key good
but you know, social media. With that being said, I've actually been reading, trying to read my mind off of things. So besides working all the time and killing myself, which I know is gonna be worth it, so I'm like, Simone, just keep going, don't stop, even though you're so discouraged about your views and everything. Just keep pushing and creating content. So good. Let me go home. I'm over here having car chronicles with you guys. All right, y'all, I'm home. Oh my God, I moved the sofa. I want to show you guys how I moved it because the tree is gonna go right here. And so I felt like this would be the best option. So let me go ahead and show you. Okay, so I put the sofa going this way. So it kind of separates it and makes it look like two separate spaces versus it just looking like one big open space as it was before. So I'll try to insert a clip of how it was before, but I like it this way much better. This part is annoying, yeah. You will have to watch the TV sideways, but it ain't that bad. If you sit right here, you're face front, you should be all right. And then the table's here. I really want to take this table down, put this mirror right here, and put like maybe like an accent chair, like something cute. I want a center table right here. I really hate this rug, so I might just end up changing it. I don't know when, but, and then, oh, and ignore that. I gotta flip that seat. And then the front looks like this, which we're getting the curtains put up very soon, so I can't wait on that. And then I changed the wreath out to a Christmas wreath, but I don't wanna show you guys because, wow, you're just gonna leave the cup right there, sis? She